From the early days of the arms industry, ammunition manufacturing has been a complex and intricate process. Join me on a fascinating journey of a bullet, from raw materials to a finished product capable of saving or taking lives. It all began in 1902 when the Anger brothers stepped off a train in the small Swedish village of Amadfors. They decided this was the perfect place to build their ammunition factory. Since then, hunting and shooting have been deeply rooted in the town's culture. For over 120 years, most of Norma's innovations have taken place here, in close collaboration with legendary hunters and marksmen. A cartridge, seemingly simple, is actually a marvel of complexity. It consists of 4 main components: the bullet, the case, the gunpowder, and the primer. Each component is manufactured with extreme precision. Let's start with the case. Made from high-quality brass, it must be hard enough to withstand high pressures and heavy loads, yet flexible enough to return to its original shape after each firing. The process begins with a small brass cup, repeatedly heated, then drawn into a long tube. It's then cut to size and pressed into its final shape using specialized dies. Every detail matters. The extraction groove must be machined precisely to ensure the empty case is pulled from the chamber after firing. The case mouth must be smooth and perfectly round so the bullet can leave with consistent force each time it's fired. Particularly, the flash hole is an extremely precise process, needing to be perfect every time. Now let's talk about the bullet, the part that actually flies out of the gun barrel. At Norma's factory in Amadfors, they produce 5 main types of bullets: full metal jacket, soft point, tipped, lead-free, and bonded. The process starts similarly to case making. A copper cup is pressed into a tube shape with a solid bottom. It's then cut to length and shaped using tools made right there in the factory. One of Norma's most notable innovations is their unique bonding process. It produces world-class bullets with unmatched weight retention at various distances while delivering devastating shock upon impact. This process involves advanced chemistry and heating techniques kept secret. The gunpowder, which provides the propellant force for the bullet, is stored on the roof for safety reasons. Tubes bring the powder down to each loading station. The roof is made of thin corrugated steel so that in case of an explosion, the force would only be directed outwards and not down to the factory floor. Quality control is the final but crucial step. Norma continuously tests all components of the cartridge and sets tolerances to a minimum. They have 3 100-meter indoor shooting ranges to test each batch of ammunition. There's even a cold room to test certain series of ammunition in extreme conditions. Annually, they fire hundreds of thousands of rounds and wear out hundreds of gun barrels to ensure product quality. But ammunition isn't just for military or sports. For many, it's a crucial means of self-defense. Consider the 9mm, the world's most popular handgun cartridge. When lives are at stake, not just any ammo will do. Specialized self-defense rounds are made to much higher standards, using hollow-point bullets, superior materials, and enhanced quality control processes. For instance, Federal HST 124 grain is considered one of the best 9mm self-defense rounds on the market. With an average velocity of 1,135 feet per second, it's known for excellent expansion characteristics, averaging about 0.6 inches and retaining nearly all of its mass through barriers. It typically achieves about 18.5 inches of penetration in calibrated ordnance gelatin, slightly exceeding FBI specifications, but accepted due to its high consistency. Another example is the Speer Gold Dot 115 grain. It's an oldie but a goodie, demonstrating an average penetration depth of about 16.2 inches and expanding to 0.54 inches. With a velocity of around 1,150 feet per second, it has proven itself over decades of use in both law enforcement and civilian applications. However, it's not just bullet performance that matters. The reliability of the entire cartridge is crucial. Even the most effective bullet is useless if it doesn't function reliably in your gun. That's why top ammunition manufacturers invest heavily in research and development, not just to improve bullet performance but to ensure consistency and reliability. The process of ammunition manufacturing is a prime example of the intersection between precision engineering and mass production. Every day, millions of rounds are produced worldwide, each needing to meet stringent standards for safety and performance. From the small factory in Sweden to large production facilities in the US, the industry continues to evolve and innovate. Whether you're a firearms enthusiast, a hunter, a law enforcement officer, or simply someone interested in technology, the process of ammunition manufacturing is a fascinating field to explore. It demonstrates the power of precision, the importance of continuous innovation, and the profound impact that a small product can have. When you hold a cartridge in your hand, remember that it's not just a simple piece of metal. It's the result of over a century of research, development, and precise manufacturing. Every detail, from the shape of the bullet to the composition of the gunpowder, is carefully designed to achieve a specific purpose. And when used properly, it can be a crucial life-saving tool. However, it's also crucial to emphasize the importance of responsible ammunition use. Regardless of its design purpose, ammunition is inherently dangerous and needs to be handled with the utmost respect and caution. That's why ammunition manufacturers focus not just on performance but on safety at every stage of the production process. As we continue to move into the future, the ammunition industry is sure to keep evolving. From smart bullets capable of tracking targets to new materials that increase performance and reduce environmental impact, future innovations promise to continue reshaping how we think about ammunition. But no matter how far technology advances, the fundamental principles of accuracy, reliability, and safety will remain the cornerstone of this industry.